Hi everyone, this is Josiah with MachMotion, and I'm working here on this CR Onsrud router, and I'm putting the X motors back on here. So what we've done is actually managed to adapt our new servo and new gearbox with the existing motor mounting plate, so we didn't have to get anything new here. We bolted it on, reseated the pinion gear onto the rack. And one thing we really want to make sure when you're putting this on is orientation of these wire connectors here. We don't want to make these where they're clocked down, where we have an awkward wire loop that we can't fix. So we pulled the wire in, made sure it's going to fit between this cover and the connector here. Tightened everything down, readjusted our tension to match the OEM spec, and now we just need to pull our cables. If you have a machine you'd like to upgrade, please reach out, talk to us, and see what we can do for you. Thanks so much for watching. Please like, share, comment, subscribe, stay in touch. We'd love to hear from you.